the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about Verizon Wireless, guys. So I'm on PhoneInternet.com here. We got an article here. So today we'll be talking about Verizon here, and they're going to be raising the price of total mobile protection starting on January 25th. That's in 2.5 weeks. So you guys have this you guys have this protection thing from Verizon, you guys might see a price increase. Yeah, I'm sure that the price increase would apply to new customers on this plan or whatever. I don't think it would affect existing customers, but let's check it out and see what it has to say about it, guys. Alright. It says the cost of insuring your Verizon handset is going up. Starting January 25th, new total mobile protection subscribers will be paying $13 a month for service. On March 6th, existing customers of the plan will see their monthly plan. The monthly cost rise $2 or 18% to $13 monthly. So, as you guys saw right there, on January 25th, new customers, new total mobile protection subscribers will be paying $13 a month, but now on March 6th, existing customers will have to pay $13 a month as well. That would be a raise of 18% or $2 a month. So everyone's going to end up having to pay the $13 a month. So everyone's going to be paying the new price. So yeah. It says total mobile protection will not cover nationwide crack screen repairs. It is nice to know that you have the feature as your expensive new handset is hurtling towards the asphalt in what seems like super slow motion. Hold on. Says, with the revisions being made to total mobile protection, the new nationwide crack screen repair offers these features. A repair technician can come to you in more than 100 U.S. cities. You can take it to one of 300 convenient authorized repair locations in the U.S. You can mail us your phone from anywhere in the U.S. and we will repair and return it in a few days. When traveling internationally, get crack screen repairs performed and be reimbursed. Crack screen repairs have a level of $29 deductible. This means that even if you're traveling away from home and crack the screen on your headset, you can have it repaired quickly, showing out no more than $20 deductible for lost, stolen, or damaged devices. The deductible is $19 for basic phones and $19 to $199 for smartphones, depending on the device. The maximum claim is $400 or $2,000 and is limited to 3 claims every 12 months for total mobile protection single device, or 9 claims every 12 months for total mobile protection multi-device. Holy shit. Total Mobile Protection subscribers can also download the Tech Codes app to get one-tap access to a technician support expert. For more information on Verizon's Total Mobile Protection, click on the source link below. So if you guys want to get more information about that, click on the source link right here and it'll tell you that, and it'll give you guys more information about it. And yeah, man. So if you guys have the Total Mobile Protection thing from Verizon, you guys will have to pay $13 a month beginning January 25th. That's for new customers. And then on March 6, 2018, if you're an existing customer of the Total Mobile Protection program, you will also have to pay $13 beginning March 6, 2018. So eventually everyone's going to have to pay the $13 monthly thing for this thing. Eventually everyone's going to have to do it, even if you're an existing customer. So at first it's going to just be for new customers who are signed up for with this Total Mobile Protection from Verizon. They also have to pay $13 a month. Existing customers, they will have to pay the $13 beginning March 6th. So that would be an 18% increase for $2 a month. So current customers right now pay $11 a month for that, but March 6th, current customers will pay $13 as well a month. This is what you get right here. And it says that if your phone is lost, stolen, or damaged, The price of a deductible for a basic phone is $19, but the deductible for smartphones can range from $19 to $199. Depending on the device, the maximum claim it can be between $400 or $2,000, and limited to 3 claims over 12 months for total mobile protection single device, or 9 claims over 12 months of total mobile multi device. So if you guys have one line on your Verizon account, let's say it's just you, you get 3 claims a month. You get 3 claims a year every a 12-month period. 3 claims for a 12-month period if you're on the total mobile protection single device. But if you have like a family plan on Verizon and you have total mobile protection, you get 9 claims over a 12-month period. So keep that in mind. So yeah. If you guys got total mobile protection, you can also download the Tech Coach app if you guys don't have that. If you guys want to learn more about total mobile protection, if you guys want to sign up for it, check on the source link below and it'll take you there. And I also have a link in the description video. So yeah guys, so basically Verizon is raising the price of its total mobile protection to $13 for new customers beginning January 25th, and then existing customers will have to pay $13 beginning March 6th. So eventually everyone's going to pay the $13, even if you're an existing customer. So you keep that in mind, and yeah, man. So yeah, it's crazy, but hey, you know, it is what it is, guys. Nothing I can do about it. So if you guys got total mobile protection from Verizon, just be prepared that you will have to pay $13 beginning March 6th because you're an existing customer. But if you're a new customer, you have to pay $13 a month beginning January 25th if you're a new customer. If you're an existing customer, you will have to pay $13 a month beginning March 6th, guys. So eventually everyone's going to pay the $13 a month increase. So but $13 a month, that's not bad, but you know, you have to factor in the deductibles and shit like that and whatnot and all that. So yeah, man. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.